welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Google Chooses My Makeup Challenge. The way that this works is you type in your first initials of your first and last name followed by the word look in the Google search bar. Go to the first image that pops up and draw your inspiration from that. I have absolutely no idea where this video is going to go, so if you guys want to see what the hell happens in the next 30 minutes or so, then just keep on watching. Like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and type in my first initials as L followed by the word look and hit search. Go to images and the first thing that pops up is this black, white, and red bicycle. So this is going to be my inspiration for whatever I decide to put on my face in the next half hour. My eyebrows are on and my eyelids are primed, so let's just start doing things. I know that this look is going to be very intense with probably a very, very black smoky eye, so I'm going to start there. I'm going to be taking my Ofra liner in black and I'm just going to smudge this all over my lid to start. It will look so disgusting in the viewfinder. Okay, let's fix this. I'm going to take a shader brush and I'm just going to diffuse this, go over it a little bit, pulling it up into my crease. With that smudged out, I'm going to take some tape now and lay this down so I have a clean edge to work with because I really want this to be graphic and sharp. I'm going to start off with a straight up black eyeshadow from my Morphe Picasso palette. Just going straight into that black with a shader brush and I'm going to dust this over all of that black pencil that I just put down. Even going to start pulling this out a little bit into that outer corner. I'm going to pat this down and make sure that I cover all of that so that there's no stickiness left, and so that I have a nice black solid base. Now that I have the basic shape that I want, I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush and try to kind of blend this a little bit, smoke it out. I don't know if it's gonna work, but pulling out another Morphe palette, this is the 9C. I'm gonna go into Chocolate Diamond with that same brush and just put a little bit in that crease to see if I can kind of smooth that out. I'm going to go into that black with a different blending brush, something that's a little bit fluffier, just to see if I can soften up that top line there. I'm thinking for liner, I want to do a white wing, maybe with a little bit of red fading into it, but I don't like any white eyeliners, especially not liquid eyeliners. I just don't think they pop enough. Instead, I'm going to go into my Marin Paradise Makeup Palette, and this is just basically body paints that are water activated. And I'm gonna use this white instead. So I'm just gonna dip into a little bit of water and then right into that white, and this brush has black on it. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. It's definitely going on there, but I'm going to probably have to let this dry and go over it with another coat. I don't know if that's how these paints work, but I'm gonna use it today. I'm going to make this work one way or another. I'm just going to do this a couple of more times and I will be back once the liner is done. Half an hour later and a couple of different products, this is the best I could do. So we're just going to go with this as the white eyeliner for now. I'm trying to decide how I want to incorporate the red into this. I think what I'm going to start out doing is going into the Morphe Picasso palette with that red. And I'm going to fade it into the white from the inner corner to the outer corner. Am I about to mess up half an hour worth of crazy tedious work? I don't know how I feel about this, but it is too late now. So now I'm going to take a different tiny brush and I'm going to go back into that black and blend over the top of the liner where the red meets the black to kind of just blur it out a little bit so it's not so sharp. That works. This is okay. I'm going to finish up the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with some straight black and smudge that all along the bottom lash line, and then I'm going to go over that with a little bit of red, and then I think I might line my inner waterline with some black as well. I know this looks absolutely insane. I'm aware. I am very aware of that. Just let me be. Oh god, what am I doing? Not in love with it, I can tell you that much. Now I'm gonna line my bottom waterline using some more black liner. I'm thinking instead of going under that with a red liner, I'm actually gonna go underneath this with a black liquid liner. I'm gonna use my Steeler for this because it's very precise, and I'm just gonna line underneath that, connecting it to my bottom eyelid, maybe? So I think I'm gonna leave my eyes like this at this point and really just pack on some mascara, maybe add some false lashes, but probably not because I'm very lazy. And I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and we will come back and see if we need to make any changes. My face is done. I went for a very heavy-handed contoured look to kind of give my face that sharp dimension and angles that the bike has in the picture. Now for my lips. I don't know where I'm going with this. Just like the rest of the video, this was not planned out beforehand. I am not very good at picking out lip colors to complement eye looks, but you know, this look is already kind of crazy. So I think what I'm gonna do is go with a black liquid liner with maybe a little bit of red in the middle, blend it out. We're gonna see what happens right now. I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with a black pencil liner. Wish me luck. And now I'm gonna go in using my Ofra liquid lipstick in the Bronx. I'm gonna keep this focused on the outside of my lips and then fill in the center with a deep red. And now I'm gonna fill in the middle quickly using another Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Milan. And I'm gonna quickly blend that together with my fingers, maybe? Ooh, this did not turn out how I wanted it to. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Do I look like the bike? I definitely would not wear this look out anywhere in public anytime soon. But that is all I have for you guys. So as always, before you go, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button right down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you like content like this. I am very, very grateful that you guys sit down and watch these weird videos of me. I have a lot of fun filming them for you, so it's great that you guys enjoy them. So yeah, stick around, hit that subscribe button, new videos every Wednesday. And until next time, bye guys.